Hello, welcome to the hi-hat volume modulation explore. A quick look at how we can give some variation to a hi-hat or any other sound by modulating the volume envelope on the command station. Here we have a pattern which looks like this, which sounds like this. There we go. So now we've got, I forgot to put the variation in, so now we've got a plain no variation. That's at 1 bar, so it's a 16th note hi-hat, I think. And what we want to try and do is get it to somewhere where the volume changes. So we're going to have to alter in the chords the preset. So if we go the presets from this kit, doesn't matter which one you use, just use a kit and find a sound you want to modulate. Go to preset edit over here, go to chords. Just before I do that, I'll see how many layers this uses. So layer 1, 2, 3 and 4 aren't used, so it's just layer 1 that's in use. Good. And it's this LPerk2 kit is the sample set that's being used. So if we go to chords, we've got MIDI frequency. So we could add variation in there as well, but we're today now looking at the volume. Need to go to a different chord number without changing anything else. It says E. It's envelope attack. S, G, H. Now here I on most chords is amp volume changed by velocity. Yep. We're going to change it with an LFO. So I'm scrolling through the various sources for modulation till I hopefully get to LFO. Now we'll go to LFO 1, put it plus and minus. And then we see that chord 11 puts MIDI knob I in charge of the amount. So this is the amount of chord 10. So if I go back to chord 10, so the amount of the LFO's effect on the amp volume. So let's have a listen to that. Okay, so there's no effect at the moment, and we'll explore why that is. Go to LFO, sine wave LFO for LFO 1, which we're using. So we'll change that to the random. So all of a sudden you can hear the difference between having no effect and putting the effect on. So there's the principle. Already worked out, dead quick. That must be the fastest video I've ever done, under 5 minutes, and therefore you can stop watching now, or you can carry on watching. So what I'll do is I'll finish this video now, and I'll put a longer explore video continuing from here as my next video, because there's lots of other things we can explore as well. See you soon. Bye.